Yay, we're still in Costa Rica, guys. And let me tell you, we've only been to a few places, but I'm already loving this country. And remember our trip to Hawaii where we were using the full face mask for snorkeling? Well, we had some comments on our previous video about those masks not being safe because they cover your nose and mouth at the same time. And now that we're here in Costa Rica, we're going to show you another option that we found that works great.
And if you're new here and you missed our last video, here's what you missed. To tell you more about us, we are those Bros family who travel in California and around the world. We normally tell you about amazing places that you can go when you're here on vacation and let you know about cool gadgets that you can bring to make your vacation the best. We are doing the tour to Isla Tortuga in Costa Rica, and this to us is one of the most do's when you come here. The boat ride was great and the kids were getting excited to do some snorkeling here.
That's right, little cousin and I were ready to go, and it was so cool to come on this speedboat. We loved the adrenaline of the speed. And we were finally arriving at the snorkeling spot. And remember, snorkeling is optional. If you don't want to do snorkeling, you can stay on the boat and keep enjoying the refreshments.
And this was the perfect time to try out our new snorkeling gear masks. We used to use the full face mask, but this was a new style and we wanted to try it. We know some people don't like the full face mask like we use in Hawaii, but this is a great option for you because it doesn't cover your mouth. We'll send the link in the description for you guys to check it out. Now Dos Bros is going snorkeling. By the way, guys, this water was super cold. And check it out, guys, so beautiful here, so many fishes. And the variety is amazing. Alright guys, let's go snorkeling. Dos Bros, here we go.
There were so many fishes in here and the masks were working great. It was kind of nice to come out of the water and be able to talk. And while we were snorkeling, little Cuz was having fun of his own on the boat.
Alright, time for little sis to take a dip. She was also trying our new snorkeling masks. They really were great, guys. You have to check them out in the video description.
Oh my god, bro, you were right. The water is really cold. But look at all the beautiful fishies. They are all around me. But now let's see where's Nemo.
Snorkeling in Isla Tortuga was a great experience. We totally recommend it, but if you don't want to, you can always stay in the boat. This part of the trip is completely optional. And also, if you don't have some gear, they have some for you.
And stay tuned to the end, we're gonna open the box and tell you all the great features this mask has. And let us know in the comments if you guys have used this mask and how it worked for you, and if you feel that these are safer than the full mask. Which for us in our trip to Hawaii worked pretty well. I think if you use everything with caution, and if you're a parent and you gotta be next to your kids all the time. We were together and we're taking care of each other around when we were snorkeling in Hawaii, so the mask worked pretty great for us. The only thing about the full mask is that when you get out of the water, you can't really talk because you still have your mouth inside the mask. But other than that, it worked great, just like this one. Alright guys, and now it's time to tell you all about the mask. You can find it in Amazon and the link is in our video description for you to check it out. The mask is from the brand A Castle. And yes, this is another way to support our channel. If you buy it from the link in our description, you will be helping our channel to keep making more future adventures like this. In the box you will find a Queso snorkeling mask, your user manual, and 1-year warranty inside, which is a pretty cool add-on from this mask, that you can have a full year of warranty. And when you pull out your mask, you will see that it comes in this really nice handy bag. That makes it great to store it and take it to your next adventure. Once you open it, you will find that you have all the pieces inside this bag. And we'll show you how to put it together because sometimes it can be very tricky. But once you know how to do it, you will find out that it's pretty easy. And like we said before in our video, some people were commenting that they were worried about a full mask when we were snorkeling because they have heard some incidents because the mask cover your nose and mouth together at the same time. But this one, it only covers your eyes and your nose, and it has, the little air stream so you can breathe to the outside. We didn't encounter any problems with the full mask, but we thought we needed to try this one too. And it would sound so great. The only thing that, we probably struggle a little bit is because when we first tried it, we forgot that we couldn't open our mouth because we were used to the other ones where we can open our mouth inside the mask. So when we were open the mouth, we catch some ocean water in there. And guys, as you can see, when you take them out, you can just put these two parts together. It has the little hook so you can tie it and then put it into the mask, and that's how easy it is. It almost just worked like a clip-on. Very easy to assemble, isn't it? Another cool feature of this mask is that it brings your little, gadget so you can put your GoPro if you want it right in the front of the mask, right on top of your eyes. That's where the placement for the GoPro is. So what you're looking at is what you're recording. And if for some reason you're still struggling about how to use your mask, you can always use the user manual. But let's do a recap and show you how to put the GoPro adapter. So when you put these two parts together with the snorkeling mask, the one piece that brings the little ball so the air won't go through and to the inside of the mask, and then just clip it in, just that easy. There you go, and you will have your mask ready to go. Inside the box you will also find the GoPro adapter, which is also like a little clip-on, and it feels like it's about to break when you put it in, but just kind of put it on the side and then just kind of push it in and it will just go through. It won't break, don't worry. And this is one of the parts that can get really tricky, but all you have to do, like I said, is just put it on one of the sides, put it in first, and then just kind of, put some power in it to push it in. It might not look like it's pretty flexible, but, it's meant to be like that. So you can just push it in, it will stick right in there when you're right inside the water. And then you can just put your GoPro and adapter there, and then just tighten it up with the little part that comes in the box. That's pretty much it if you want to put your GoPro. But the other thing that this mask has is you can use it in another way, because you can also use this mask without the top part of the mask. To do this, all you need to do is just unclip it, and then you will find that there's a spot there for this little thingy here that came in the box too. And then you just put it inside there, close it, and you'll be ready to go. Not really see the point in this one, but if I'm guessing, it might be good for if the kids just want to use it for goggles in a pool or something like that. Not sure. But if you guys know anything or best use for this, let us know in the comments. And if this video is being of any help to you, don't forget to like and subscribe, as this will help our channel grow.
And don't forget, if you want to buy this mask, make sure to check it out in our video description, as your buy may help us keep making more videos like this. And this item has a Dos Bros 5-star recommendation.
It worked really great for us, and it was so much fun using it. And to storage, it's just easy to take it apart, put it like this, put it in your storage bag, and then it's ready to go for your next adventure. And make sure to check out the Dos Bros Costa Rica series, where we show you some great, amazing places around Costa Rica.
Life is beautiful, so come see it with Dos Bros.
And before you guys leave, don't forget to check out this other video and another great adventure in Costa Rica. Pura vida, baby.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Dos Bros,
We out.
Bye bye, brothers. See you next video.